In a dramatic escalation on the front lines, Ukrainian Azov drone units released chilling footage showing several Russian military trucks packed with troops being tracked from the air before meeting a devastating fate. The incident reportedly occurred near an active combat zone where visibility was limited and tension had already been building after days of intense fighting. From the opening moments of the footage, the scale of the looming disaster was clear. The Russian trucks, moving in a loose convoy along a narrow, damaged road, appeared to be transporting a large number of soldiers toward the front line. Military analysts observing the footage noted that the vehicle showed no visible electronic countermeasures, leaving the entire convoy dangerously exposed to aerial surveillance. Above them, Ukrainian reconnaissance drones quietly followed every move. According to Ukrainian sources, Azov drone operators had been monitoring enemy troop movements for hours before identifying the convoy as a high-value target. The concentration of personnel across multiple trucks created an opportunity for maximum impact. Once confirmation was received, attack drones were launched in rapid succession. As the drones closed in, the Russian trucks continued forward, seemingly unaware that they were being hunted from above. Moments later, the first strike hit one of the lead vehicles. A powerful explosion erupted, immediately followed by additional strikes on nearby trucks, turning the road into a corridor of fire and smoke. The explosions were devastating. Several trucks were completely destroyed, reduced to burning wreckage scattered across the roadway. Secondary blasts suggested that fuel and ammunition were being transported alongside the troops, dramatically increasing the destructive effect and spreading flames across a wide area. Ukrainian officials said the coordinated strikes severely disrupted Russian troop movements in the sector, halting reinforcements and forcing surviving units to retreat or scatter. This was a decisive blow to their operational plans, one Ukrainian source stated. They lost both manpower and momentum in minutes. Military experts say the incident underscores the growing vulnerability of Russian ground forces when operating in exposed formations. Convoys that once moved with relative confidence are now prime targets, especially in areas where Ukrainian drone coverage is dense and persistent. The Azov Brigade has become particularly known for its aggressive and precise drone warfare tactics. By combining reconnaissance drones with fast-moving FPV strike drones, Azov units have been able to detect and eliminate multiple targets in a single, coordinated operation. Beyond the physical destruction, analysts emphasize the psychological impact on Russian troops. Traveling in military trucks, once considered routine, has become a nerve-wracking experience, as soldiers know that detection from the air can mean sudden death with no warning. The attack highlights how modern warfare has shifted decisively toward speed, intelligence, and technological adaptability rather than sheer numbers alone. Ukrainian drone teams reportedly needed only minutes to identify the convoy, confirm troop density, assign multiple targets, and execute synchronized strikes. This rapid kill chain leaves enemy forces almost no time to disperse, take cover, or deploy countermeasures, turning routine movements into deadly gambles under constant aerial threat. Residents in nearby areas reportedly heard a series of powerful explosions echoing across the landscape, followed by thick columns of black smoke rising sharply into the sky. Witnesses described the sound as continuous and overwhelming, suggesting multiple detonations rather than a single strike. Although the exact location remains undisclosed for operational security reasons, the visual evidence quickly spread across social media and military analysis channels, drawing widespread attention from observers around the world. Russian authorities have yet to issue a detailed response regarding the losses suffered in the strike, maintaining near total silence on the incident. Analysts interpret this lack of acknowledgement as an attempt to minimize public awareness of the scale of the destruction and casualties involved. Independent military observers, however, note that similar convoy strikes have been occurring with increasing frequency, pointing to a broader pattern of logistical vulnerability rather than an isolated event. As the conflict continues to evolve, the destruction of several troop-carrying trucks reinforces the growing dominance of drones as decisive battlefield weapons. What were once considered secondary tools have now become central to shaping the battlefield, capable of halting advances, disrupting supply lines, and inflicting heavy losses with minimal risk to the operators. Traditional methods of troop transport are proving increasingly dangerous in an environment where the sky is never truly empty. For Ukraine, the successful operation represents both a tactical victory and a powerful warning to opposing forces. Large-scale troop movements, especially those conducted without adequate air defense or electronic protection, are now extremely risky and highly likely to be detected. Each successful drone strike sends a clear message that exposed convoys will be punished swiftly and without hesitation. The burning wreckage of multiple Russian military trucks stands as a stark reminder of how unforgiving the modern battlefield has become. In a war defined by surveillance, precision, and relentless pressure, even a convoy moving toward the front line can be erased in moments. As drone warfare continues to shape the conflict, the fate of this convoy underscores a harsh reality. Nowhere near the front is truly safe anymore.